Let's get it.
Yo, what's to it? This your nigga El Nino, DPMG, that Pack Music Group, you know what I'm saying? I go by the plug, Big L, you know what I'm saying? Whatever, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Basically, represent Chicago, Cabrini Green, West Side, Will, Cox, and Francisco, you know what I'm saying? Pretty much just to keep y'all up, give y'all a little insight of what we got going on over here. We dropping the Pass Out, which will be re-releasing that, my autobiography. We pretty much putting that out July 1st. That'll be, you know what I'm saying, on iTunes. It'll be on Live Mixtape. It'll be on Dat Piff. It'll be in your mama's kitchen, wherever. We putting that out there, you know what I'm saying? We trying to put that out there to the world, you know what I'm saying? Basically, you know what I'm saying, I got a few videos. I got the video out to Chicago bullshit, fuck niggas, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, by the way, we don't like you niggas, you know what I'm saying? Pretty much, we got that going on. We dropping a single for the city, which is for my city, Chicago, yeah, nigga. You know, we dropping that probably like in a couple of weeks, you know what I'm saying? Put that out there, give y'all something to play to. We actually got it in rotation right now on a few internet radio stations, so, you know what I'm saying, just look that up, for the city. And pretty much, man, it's just a whole movement, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, we fucking with my niggas, they got the work movement, you know what I'm saying? Work, you know what I'm feel me? You know what I'm saying? We fucking with them monkey ball business niggas, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my nigga 50 Cal, shout out to my nigga Mike Ball, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? And we just, it's just a unit, just a lot of niggas networking, real niggas doing real shit, you know what I'm saying? I know a lot of y'all hear me holler this GPMD a lot, you know what I'm saying? Basically what that's representing is that's the whole movement. It's gangsters moving in a positive direction, you feel me? We encouraging leaders, we encouraging real leaders, you know what I'm saying, to pretty much just get back and get the shit back together how it was, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? Like, so a lot of this time, you know what I'm saying, how we rock with this music, it's a lot of dudes out here who make this music, but we just don't feel that they leader material, you know what I'm saying? So basically that's what we bring it back to the table. Good music, real leaders, you know what I'm saying? Real bosses, you know what I'm saying? No, none of that pretendo shit, you know what I'm saying? Me and my niggas, we actually out here doing it, you know what I'm saying? We fucking with real hitters, you know what I'm saying? Real movers and shakers from the city, you know what I'm saying? Every nigga we rock with, they either goddamn it, they either had slots or they got active slots within the mob, you feel me? So basically, you know what I'm saying, that's what we on, you know what I'm saying? We just trying to bring that real street music back, you know what I'm saying? Starting out with DPMG, that Pack Music Group, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Like I said, we GPMD, we gangsters moving in a positive direction, and we fucking with everybody, you know what I'm saying? We fucking with the GDs, we fucking with the Vice Lords, we fucking with the Moes, the Souls, the Foes, Crips, Bloods, you know what I'm saying? Latin Kings, we don't give a fuck what you is, whatever mob you affiliated at, you know what I'm saying? You a leader, you know what I'm saying? You a real shaker, Joe. Get at me, or as a matter of fact, you won't have to, because I'm getting at you, you know what I'm saying? No, niggas gonna have to start back, stepping up and be accounted for, you know what I'm saying? We gonna open the door for that, you know what I'm saying? We gonna put the black dollar back into the community, period, you know what I'm saying? That's my goal, that's my dream, and that's what I'm on with this, you know what I'm saying? Until then, in the meantime, between time, I'm gonna keep giving y'all this consistent fire, you know what I'm saying? What niggas listening to, what motherfuckers wanna hear, you know what I'm saying? I ain't expecting everybody to rock with this sound, what we got, but the music is undeniable. Everything we put out gonna be A1, you know what I'm saying, from the production, from the beats we selected, you know what I'm saying, from our videos, our visuals that we applying for, and it's authentic, you know what I'm saying, like I'm valid, my nigga, I'm Will Cox and Francisco, definitely a Will Cox boy, I'm out of there though, you know what I'm saying, this love, like I said, it's DPMG, that Pack Music Group. Shout out to my nigga Work, you feel me, because that's what we doing, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my nigga MTE, you know what I'm saying, my nigga Tremaine, you know what I'm saying? Shout out that nigga doing this thing up there in the city, you know what I'm saying? Y'all look my dude up, you know what I'm saying? And we out here, yo, you know what I'm saying? It's just a whole network of real dudes, yo, pushing their goals, their dreams, you know what I'm saying? And getting shit done, accomplishes, real grown man shit. So I'm gonna leave y'all with that, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's DPMG. El Nino the plug, you know what I'm saying? Coming to a household near you. Work, nigga.